shapes every living organism. That's the role of DNA and RNA. These aren't just random jumbles of letters, but crucial molecules that hold the secrets of life itself. They are responsible for storing and transmitting the genetic information that makes you, and a tree, a tree. This information is written in a molecular code carried in every cell of every living organism. DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is like the master architect holding the original plan. RNA, or ribonucleic acid, is the diligent assistant, carrying the instructions from the master plan to where they are needed. Together, they form the dynamic duo that makes life possible, from the smallest bacteria to the largest whale. They are the unseen conductors, orchestrating the symphony of life that plays out in every cell. But although they serve similar purposes, DNA and RNA are far from identical. The structure of these molecules is the first clue to their differences. You see, DNA is a double-stranded molecule that forms a twisted ladder-like structure, also known as the double helix. It's like a spiral staircase, with each step representing a pair of bases. This double-stranded structure contributes to DNA's stability, helping it to store genetic information long-term. On the other hand, RNA is single-stranded, often appearing as a wavy chain. It's more like a string of pearls, with each pearl representing a base. This single-stranded structure allows RNA to be more versatile, bending and folding into various shapes to fulfill its roles in the cell. While DNA's double helix is designed for stability, RNA's single-stranded structure is designed for functionality. DNA's structure allows it to safely store genetic information, while RNA's structure enables it to carry out diverse roles in protein synthesis and other cellular processes. The structure of these molecules plays a significant role in their function and stability. The building blocks of DNA and RNA provide another layer of contrast. DNA is structured around a sugar known as Deoxyribose, which, true to its name, lacks an oxygen atom compared to the sugar found in RNA. This lack of an oxygen atom helps make DNA more stable and therefore better suited for the long-term storage of genetic information. On the other hand, the sugar in RNA is ribose, which contains an extra oxygen atom. This added reactivity makes RNA more versatile and well-suited for its various roles in protein synthesis and other cellular processes. Now let's talk bases. DNA uses adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine, with adenine pairing with thymine and guanine with cytosine. RNA, however, replaces thymine with uracil, which pairs with adenine. These differences in sugar and bases further distinguish DNA and RNA and contribute to their unique characteristics. Now, let's delve into the roles that DNA and RNA play in our bodies. DNA is primarily responsible for storing the blueprint of life, our genetic information. It acts as a master record, ensuring that every new cell gets a copy of these instructions during cell division. Imagine DNA as the grand library of life, housing the genetic books that tell our cells what to do. On the other hand, RNA is the active participant in the cellular processes. It carries the genetic information from DNA to the protein factories of the cell, the ribosomes. Here, proteins are assembled based on these instructions, a process crucial for the functioning of our bodies. There are different types of RNA, each with a specific role. Messenger RNA, or mRNA, carries the genetic instructions, while ribosomal RNA, or RNA, and transfer RNA, or tRNA, help in the assembly of proteins. So while DNA stores the genetic information, RNA acts as the messenger, carrying this information to where it's needed. Another difference between DNA and RNA comes down to their stability. The structure and type of sugar in these molecules significantly affect their stability. DNA, with its double-stranded structure and deoxyribose sugar, is more stable. The missing oxygen atom in deoxyribose gives DNA the stability needed for long-term storage of genetic information. On the other hand, RNA, being a single-stranded molecule, is less stable. It contains ribose sugar, which has an extra oxygen atom. This makes RNA more reactive, allowing it to participate actively in various cellular processes. However, this reactivity also makes RNA more susceptible to degradation. So, while DNA is like a steadfast library, securely storing genetic information, RNA is like an active courier, constantly on the move, delivering messages in the cell. In the intricate dance of life, DNA and RNA each play their part. DNA as the stable storehouse of genetic information, and RNA as the dynamic messenger and facilitator.
Please subscribe to our channel, like our videos and share with your friends.